Hi guys, if you want to change your store name on Shopify, then this video is for you. The first thing you want to do, guys, is to log in into your Shopify. And after that, let me do that right now. Now, after that, what you want to do, guys, next, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Now, after that, what you need to do, guys, you want to select here store details. As you can see, store details, as you can see. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on edit. Okay. Now here you can find your store name. You can change it. Let me change it right now. And then you can change anything you want. For example, email address if you want. You can change phone number. Now after you do that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next, you can also change the currency of your store. A lot of things. I will leave you with that. Now after you change, guys, your store name, what you need to do, guys, you want to click on save in the top right. And if you can see here, the name has been changed and now you have successfully changed your store name. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help about Shopify, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.